Here's the latest test of car streamlining. Smoke is blown through a wind tunnel over a model car and forms eddies round the horizontal surfaces. On the other hand, the streamlined model creates very little wind resistance. A strange thing about the experiment is that a car going backwards makes a better streamlined design than a car going the normal way. Let's see how that works out. A car has been specially built so that it can be driven in reverse. It may look queer, but it proves a queer point. That the back end of a car can be driven at the same speed as the front end. And please don't try it in the blackout. Oh, blow. It's that air raid warning again in the village. And something's got to be done with the animals in the small holding. And what's Mr. Small holding? He's got the chickens, his wife the piglets, and both a bright idea. Mr. Small has built a special shelter underground. And in a raid, each of the animals has his allotted place there. The dog just takes his time. That sounds remarkably like the hall clear or something. Yes, it's all right now. So the chicks go back to their scratching and the pigs to their pokes. Just a slice of life in the raw.